Hi guys and welcome back. Now inside of this video we are going to talk about iteration in prompt engineering. What is it? How can we use it inside of ChatGPT? Let's dive right into it. First of all, what is iteration? Well, iteration is when we are asking ChatGPT questions until you have the information you need by rephrasing and giving more context. Why are we using it? Well, by asking more questions, you're building a better understanding between the AI, the ChatGPT, and you for more accurate answers. Now, maybe the scary part is that the AI is actually learning about you, about the way that you're asking questions, about the information that you're giving. So it's like collecting all of this information base about you in a conversation, and then based on that information, it can give you basically better answers. It might be scary, but it's super helpful when we're using ChatGPT. So when are we using iterations? Well, if you're sitting on a lot of information but don't know how to get the best answers or formulations possible yourself. So you're having tons of information, but you don't know where to start. How should you write in this little text box all of this information in order so that ChatGPT knows what you are after? That can be really hard sometimes. So how are we using this technique? Well, by edit the question until you have the best answer from ChatGPT and provide more context for better result. Now, often ChatGPT works better when you are providing a little bit information at the time. If you're writing maybe a kind of a blog post article kind of thing with 2000 words, it can be a little bit tricky for ChatGPT to give you the best answer possible. Sometimes you have to take it in different blocks. So basically giving up a small portion of information at a time to receive your goal with the prompt. So let's dive right into ChatGPT and see how we can iterate our prompts. So here is a prompt I wrote with a little bit of context. As you can see, I'm a manager looking to improve my team's collaboration and communication. Can you suggest some strategies to enhance teamwork and create a more productive work environment? Pretty specific. If you need more clarification or ideas, I'll ask further questions. So if ChatGPT need more context from us, you just keep on asking until you're satisfied with the answers that you're getting. So by just prompting this, here's the answer that we got. Absolutely, here are several strategies you can employ to enhance teamwork and create a more productive work environment. So reading through this, set clear goals and expectations, improve communications, foster trust and mutual respect, encourage collaboration, provide constructive feedback, etc., etc. Now, if you are not satisfied with this answer, or you're feeling like, oh, I missed out on giving this type of information, either you can go ahead and rewrite it down here by sending a new message, or you can write, I forgot to tell you that I'm a manager in the tech industry, etc. Instead of writing all of this text down here, what you can do instead is you can actually go into your prompt. As you can see here, you have a little edit box here, and then you can go in here and edit it right away to get another answer, more specific answer that is more tailored towards what you're searching for. So here you can instead go in and like iterate this by doing and then you can write tech manager, for example. Just have a look at your prompt and ask yourself, how can I add more context to get a better answer? So I'm a tech manager looking to improve my team's collaboration. So you're telling that you're having a team that you would like to get a better collaboration and communication. So I'm a manager, for example, of 12 people looking to improve. So just add in more context to this if you're having information to get a better answer, and then click on save and submit. And as you can see, ChatGPT happily are generating another answer to you. So as you can see, it looks totally different. Clear communication, set goal and expectations. It's kind of the same, but it will be more catered towards the information that you're giving out. So this is one way to do it. The other way is just to keep on asking more and more questions, adding in more and more context and using this type of method like this. So here you can see that we have use technology, which which is 1 out of 10 different points on collaboration and teamwork. And here it says utilize appropriate collaboration tools and project management software. So now we can just take this and copy it and paste it in here. Please share appropriate collaboration tools and project management software. Make a list of the top 5 to use for my team of 12 people. And then you just keep on asking how you can really improve the environment, the communication, and the collaboration between you and your colleagues or employees. This is a great way to just keep on asking questions and edit them to get the best possible answers. Let's have a look at the output. So basically, by just edit your questions, add in a more detailed context here, you are getting better answers. So you can do that. That's the first step, to edit your first question. Or you can just ask upon the answers that you're getting more questions. So please share appropriate collaboration tools and project management softwares. Make a list of 5. And here you can see it's suggesting Slack, Microsoft Teams, Asana, Trello, Jira, and Workspace, a lot of different tools. So by just iterating your question, basically editing your questions and making it more specific, adding in some context and background information, you're getting better answers with ChatGPT. Use this technique. Good luck. I'll see you in the next one.